Hi guys, my name is Ashley Garcia. I'm a junior at Stockton University, an English major with a concentration in early childhood education. I hope to one day be an elementary school teacher, but ideally my dream would be to be a kindergarten teacher. Some of my hobbies right now include painting, crafting with my dad, and making literally anything out of clay. This was a bowl I made of my dog a while ago. Some of my pre-COVID hobbies included going to concerts with my brothers, going hiking, and just hanging out with friends. This was from a Tame Impala concert I went to with my brothers, and this was from one of our old hiking trips. This was a Zach Brown concert I went to with a couple of friends. This is my family. This is me, my dad, my older brother, my mom, and my younger brother. My older brother Marcos actually graduated from Stockton 2 years ago, and now he's an auditor at a firm in Toms River. My younger brother Austin is 17, and he's currently a junior in high school. This is our dog, Chispa. Her name means sparkle in Spanish. She's a puggle, and she's going to be 10 this year, so she's not much of a puppy anymore. This was also taken at my brother's graduation with my two younger cousins who basically I consider them like my brothers. So I grew up with all the boys. I grew up on Long Beach Island, New Jersey. So I grew up going to Fantasy Island a lot, going to the beach, Barnegat Light, and the famous Chegg. These are just some fun pictures I took of my friends this year from the summertime. And I don't know, I just thought they were cool, so I wanted to add them in here because it just kind of shows a little bit of what I would like to do in my free time. So yeah, I'm really excited for this class this semester to learn more about teaching and hopefully learn stuff that will help me in the future. And I hope we all have a great semester.